Every market that we serve uses hoses to some extent, some more than others, but oil and gas, semiconductor, power, and the aerospace industry, pharmaceutical industries are all primary candidates for the hoses that we offer.
Hoses are a component out there that when you need one fairly quickly. We're super excited to bring the hose cell value add to our customers.
Typically, we would take a customer order or a specification and send it to our factory in Ohio, and they would produce a hose and ship it in a time frame.
Our hose cell will allow us to fabricate hoses in-house.
Yeah, it elevates our customer support.
Ideally, we can eliminate the fire drill from a supplier or purchasing aspect and really have the right hose for the right application. Whether you need a smooth bore hose or a convoluted hose, we most likely will have something that would fit your need.